Welcome back. I hope you are doing great. As a part of this lecture, we'll understand how do we save files in RDDs. Means by taking the RDDs, how do we save them into your files? By the way, what is saving files? I know I'm asking a very super simple question. But what does it mean in the context of the RDDs? What it means is whenever you have worked on an RDD, let us say you have RDD1 and you have transformed that into RDD2. You don't transform that for the heck of doing it, right? You want to use that as a part of some other analysis. So this, if you want that to be returned to a file, how do you do that? That is what we are mentioning when you say saving the files in the context of the RDD. Whenever you have created a RDD, how do we save that into a plain text files? When you save an RDD into a file, in a way, you cannot save a RDD to a source or a data source in a conventional sense. That means the way you do it in saving the files, you cannot do that. The reason I say that is when you have an RDD and you want to write that into a file, as you know, RDD is partitioned into many partitions. What essentially happens is while writing an RDD into a file, it will iterate over the partitions one by one and save that to external database. Means when you save an RDD into a file, you'll get the same number of files as that of the number of partitions in an RDD. So whenever you have saved the data frames also, under the hood, this is what is happening. Spark will take the each partition and write out that to a destination. Whenever you have any problem of writing from a data frame into a file, you can just keep this in mind if you want to debug something. It may help you. How do we write an RDD into a file? Here, this is a name of an RDD, assuming that we have transformed it. We want to write that into a file. Very simple. After the RDD, just go ahead and mention save as text file and give the path. One more thing what you can do is you can give the compression as well. How do we do that? To set a compression code, we must import the proper codec or proper compression codes from this library, right? And after that, go ahead and specify that compression code while you are saving the RDD into a file along with the path. That's it. Have a good time. Thank you.